So this thing's been going for a week now. We're gonna check out and see how far down the rocks are ground with stage 1. And then we'll see if we need to reload them in stage 1 or go on to stage 2. Yeah, I'll put it in one more time. Alright, so these came out really neat, but I think they need to go in for another week. I mean, we got some nice banding on this one. This orange is really cool. Really neat banding. This big guy here. Little banding in there. I'm gonna put it in for another week. I think one thing I did is I overpacked the tumbler barrel, so I didn't have enough action. It's ground down now, so I'm not gonna add any more rock. I'm gonna add 4 scoops of the grit to this. I'm gonna do more water. Should be enough water. Put the lid back on. Let's seal it back up. Back on. And plug power back into it. And we're going again. All right, we'll see you another week.